Oh, boy.
This place is gross.
I think it's great.
Melissa is an excellent chef.
I'm not a chef.
Crap.
I'm lost.
Gordon Ramsay's like really hot. He has like a nice body and stuff.
Gordon would like to see you for a minute.
Great.
Hey, yeah. Yeah, that's seafood crap. Like dog food. Rancid, pointless, tasteless.
Oh my God, what a disaster. Disaster. It's a disaster.
You're the one that's, you're...
Radishes. Yes.
Wow, I've never heard of that before. You can.
Look at it. What is that in there? Oh my God almighty. My God. Oh. Put your hand down there. I'm fucking pissed off. Billy!
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow is all I can say. Wow. Wow.
I'm not serving charcoal shit like that. It's fucking disgusting.
Look at the middle of that fucking salmon.
That was tough.